Welcome to Yogi Yogi. Hi, I'm Milan.
And I'm Autumn.
And today we will be teaching you beginner yoga poses.
And it is quite a stretch.
Let's begin.
First, we are going to start with sun salutation. You are going to start by putting your hands together and put your hands against your chest.
Take 5 breaths. Now, we are going to extend our arms into the air and have your fingers so open so wide that they touch the sky.
Take 5 breaths. Now, we are going to go down into ragdoll. Just let your body hang loose. Don't worry about having muscle.
Take 5 breaths. Now, you're going to come into plank. All you have to do is place your hands on the mat, walk them forward, and extend your legs. Make sure
that your body is completely parallel, and make sure that your shoulders are aligned with your hands.
Take 2 slow breaths. Now we're going to go down into a push-up position. To do this, we're going to go up into cobra. And you're going to stretch your chest out to the sky.
Take 5 breaths. Now, we're going to go into downward dog. In downward dog, you just want to push your butt up and make sure that you're looking back. And walk your feet in a little bit.
Take 5 breaths. Now you're going to walk your feet and your hands into each other. And you're going to go back to ragdoll. And don't forget, let your body hang loosely.
Take 5 breaths. Now, you're going to slowly come up and you're going to put your arms in mountain pose.
Take 5 breaths. Now, bring your hands together and put them against your chest.
And take 5 more breaths. Great job! You succeeded!
Now we're going to go into downward dog. Place your hands on your mat and walk your feet backwards.
Take 5 breaths. Now, you're going to step in and just stand up. Now, this next pose is a little bit tricky, so make sure you pay attention really well. Turn to the left side, turn to the right side of your mat. You're going to step your left foot out and you're going to put your left hand down. If you can't touch the ground completely, that's okay. Then you're going to put your right arm up in the air to touch the sky and put your foot out to the side.
And make sure it's flexed. Take 3 breaths. That was tricky.
And now we just need to do the other side. It's the same exact thing, just on the opposite side. So step your right foot out, put your right hand down, and put your left arm in the air. And then put your flexed left foot to the side.
Take 3 breaths. Great job! Now we're going to do side plank. For side plank, there's 2 different ways you can do it, and you can choose which way is easier for you. To do the side plank, you have to go down and lay on your side like you're just relaxing at the beach. And one of the ways to do side plank is to extend your arm and lift yourself up. But the other way is
to go on your forearm and then push your legs up. And make sure that your legs are completely straight.
Take 2 slow breaths. Now come down. Now it's time to do the other side. The same rules apply. Take 2 slow breaths.
Now just come and sit on your knees. Now, this next pose is also tricky. It's called pigeon. You're going to put your right leg forward and you're going to let it bend in front of you diagonal. Then you're going to take your left leg and you're going to extend it back completely straight. And make sure that your left leg kneecap is directly facing the mat. It can't be outwards or else you're not getting the stretch perfectly. Also, the goal of the stretch is to get your leg completely straight out just like this. But if you can't do that, you can bend it in diagonal.
Take 5 breaths.
Now we're just going to do the opposite side. And the same rules apply. Make sure that your leg is directly facing the mat. And also, your goal is to get it completely straight.
Take 5 breaths. From pigeon, we're going to go into our lunge. Take your left leg and put it up in between your hands. So both your hands should be on the opposite sides of each other and make sure your foot is placed in between them. You want to make sure your knee and your foot are parallel to each other or aligned. And then you're going to take your right leg and stretch it out. And then you can bring your hands up onto your hips. But if it's too hard of a balance for you, you can just put them on the ground because it's still a good stretch.
Now you're going to take 5 breaths.
Now we're going to move on to the other leg. It's the same exact thing, just with your right leg. If you have a hard time balancing, make sure you start with your hands on the ground and you place your foot in between them. and then extend your foot and bring your upper body up.
Take 5 more breaths. Perfect. Now just step together. Now, since this lesson is almost done, let's close it up with peace and quiet. You're going to sit down crisscross applesauce, and you're going to put your hands in an OK sign and put them on your knees.
Each time you inhale and exhale, you will inhale putting your hands together at your chest, and you will exhale with your OK sign on your knees. And you will do that 6 times. Great work, you guys! How do you think you did? Let us know down in the comments.
Tell us which pose was your favorite. Tell us which pose was the hardest.
Make sure you guys give this video a like,
A comment,
and subscribe!
We also want to give a big thanks to all our subscribers for all the support.
Thank you so much!
We really hope you enjoyed this video, and see you next time, yogis.
Bye!